Have you ever been told to just snap out of it like that? How did that make you feel? Hearing that when you are at a low point in your life, when you're depressed or dealing with something, can be very painful. But in today's meditation reading, we're going to use the snap sound as an ASMR trigger and as a trigger to take you out of those trains of thought, those trajectories of the mind that are negative, and to put you on a new, more positive path. So this is what we're gonna do. And all I ask you to do is to try and relax, whichever way you can do that, whatever you need to do. A couple of ideas. You can start breathing deeper just by breathing in a calm pattern and with more depth is going to ultimately make you more relaxed. Another idea is to get comfortable, to allow yourself to be present with this reading and be comfortable at the same time. If you want to do a little bit of a stretch, maybe whatever you need to do, just allow yourself to be present, get ready for this little meditation. Everything is good, even if it doesn't feel like it at the moment. Things are good and they are getting better. Trust me. And I'm going to use this feather today to pick a card for you that will allow you to go deeper into this state of letting go and relaxation, so that you can snap out of it on your own. There's no need for any external help, really. All I'm doing is being here. You're doing all the work. Your subconscious is taking care of it all. Okay. So when you're being told to snap out of it, people probably mean well, even if it doesn't come across like that. They want you to be in a different state other than what you are in. And that can feel invalidating, for sure. Because if you want to be sad, if you want to be down, if you are simply going through that, why not? It's a part of life. It's natural. It's natural to be sad, to be disappointed, disillusioned, whatever. It's all good. It's all healthy. There's no problem. But when you reach that point in your mind and in your soul, when you feel this internal need to snap out of it, to take a different perspective, that's when you can break free. Even if for a moment, just imagine, just for a minute, imagine. Pretend that you are feeling differently. Because it's possible. Just take a break, a vacation from all those negative feelings. Just for a while. Let's see what the cards have to tell you. What do you need to know? Right at this moment, in the here and now. You've been in difficult situations before. This is not the first time. This is not your first rodeo. Do you remember those times when reality seemed pretty bleak, unresolvable? Might have felt as though there's just no way out. No way that this is ever going to work out. And then, magically, it did. Remember all those times. So, what's different right now? Is there anything that makes this moment stand out? Or is that just an illusion? Can you see the pattern? Can you see it? Can you see how this is no different than all those moments in the past when eventually everything aligned again? The star is here to let you know that there's nothing to be afraid of. You're being taken care of. You're being loved and guided gently towards a better future. It's always darkest before dawn. It's always darkest before dawn. Believe it. Breathe into it. Breathe into a better future. A future that makes sense for you. If you can imagine it, you can make it happen. And the present moment can become a vehicle that takes you there. You can get out of the present and back in. It's a different present now. It's a different now. It's not the same thing. what you're noticing is that without much effort, you're being lovingly guided towards some more comfortable and pleasant feelings. How does that happen? We don't know. It just happens. Suddenly your body feels lighter. Suddenly you notice that you are taking deep breaths, and there's a sigh of relief that you're letting go. Just let it go. Don't worry about it. Trust me. This is going to work itself out. Just like all those other times when you felt like the world was ending, this is another one of those days. And it's all good. Because you're going to find your way. And if not, the way is going to find you.